a viewer emailed in and asked if I wanted any of his old air-cooled parts, engine parts, and I asked, he told me about the heads, and I asked him what other engine parts he had that he's trying to get rid of. And when I got there, we came up with an engine stand, some jacks, 4 engine blocks, cases, and different sizes and dimensions, and we got 4 cranks in different variations, a couple of sets of rods, 1 racing cam, and we got a couple of flywheels that are that came from him. So I'd like to say thank you to him.